guys. Okay, so I hope vlog आपने देख लिया होगा, but I could not vlog a lot because मैं इतनी बिजी थी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. आई वॉज सो एन्जॉइंग कि मैं भूल गई एक्चुअली व्लॉग करना. सो दैट्स दैट. बट या आई एन्जॉयड सो मच. दिस वॉज द बेस्ट बर्थडे एवर. ट्रस्ट मी, इससे भी ज़्यादा बेस्ट बर्थडे होने वाला है जिस दिन मैं अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स को बुला सकती हूँ अपने बर्थडे पे, एंड वो लोग आएंगे और हम कहीं जाएंगे, कुछ भी हो जाए. बट आई वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड वन बर्थडे विथ माई फ्रेंड्स, लाइक नॉट इन स्कूल बट आउटसाइड. सो वो भी होगा एक दिन आई गेस. बट आई एम सो हैप्पी. ओह माय गॉड, आई एम सो हैप्पी. आई एम सो हैप्पी. मतलब thank you to all my friends for coming. Thank you for everything. I'm so happy. So today is 16 January, the day after, and कल रात को हम actually 4 बजे तक like we were gossiping and we were laughing, we were playing. तो 4 बजे तक मैं जगी थी, फिर मैं सोई. तो yeah, okay, now I'm gonna show you guys what I got for my birthday. I'm so excited. Okay, first of all, these frames mama got actually for me, and this is like a mobile phone thing. This is my picture obviously, and these three, like mama and papa, they got framed. Okay, and this one is me and papa. I really like this picture so much. Now okay, books मैं एक दो लास्ट में बताऊंगी, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट what I got is teddy. This is from Oratory, and you know काफ़ी टाइम हो गया कि कोई मुझे टेडी वेडी देता ही नहीं था, मतलब सब बुक्स ही देते थे. बट यार आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट शी gave me this cute thing जो हमेशा मुझे उसकी याद दिलाएगी. So dramatic. Okay. Next, this bag. I don't know actually. ये I think सब ने मिलकर ही दिया, मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स ने. तो मैं एक बार नाम बता देती हूँ. औरित्री, अनन्या, कुशल, आयुष, सुहान, रौनक, अंकुन, एंड किसी को भूल रही हो? No. Yeah. So this bag, this is so pretty. I love it. Oh my god. And I got this from my friends. Okay, I'm literally showing you the reaction that was on my face when I opened this gift. This was my reaction. I was like this for 30 seconds. I'm not lying. I swear. Everyone was like, okay, now you can, like, I was shocked because I expected many things. Bag, okay. Teddy bear, okay. Book, diary, pen, okay. I didn't expect this. Oh my god. This is so pretty. This is me. This is from the Happy New Year pictures. I think they got this from Instagram. This is me, mom and dad. This is again one of my favorite pictures. I mean, उन्होंने photos भी कितने अच्छे choose किए. I mean, I'm so happy. And ये idea शायद मेरे सर का था, तो thanks to sir. मतलब I wanted this kind of frame for a long time, and I did not at all expect this from them, not from anyone. मतलब ये नहीं कि मैंने कुछ एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, मतलब वो क्या ही देंगे ऐसा नहीं. मतलब मैंने बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट किया था, लाइक बैग इट्स ओके, टेडी बियर ठीक है, पेन डायरी दे सकते हैं, बट ये मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा था. ट्रस्ट मी. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. और पता है ये वाइट कलर का जो है, this goes so well with my room because my room is white. My all furniture is white. And this is so pretty. Oh god. Thank you so much. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. I mean, इट्स नॉट दैट गिफ्ट बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है, बट सीरियसली थैंक यू, क्योंकि दिस विल ऑलवेज स्टे इन माई हार्ट कि दे ऑल केम टू माई बर्थडे एंड हमेशा अगली बार भी बुलाऊंगी इफ़ आई सेलिब्रेट, बट आई एम सो हैप्पी. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दिस बैग. This Shondeepda gave me, my mom's one of my mom's favorite student actually, and he literally ran to my birthday party because he had another wedding. So yeah, I'm very happy. So this is the bag that I got from Shondeepda and I'm so happy. So yeah, okay. So now coming to the books. So these were like the bags and the photo frames, and I'm so happy for all these. Now coming to the book. Okay, pen, right, pen. Okay, so this pen, like my sir gave me this pen, and this book. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Like, I did not have a Shakespeare book actually, and I wanted to read one for so long, and I even downloaded an app on my phone to read a Shakespeare book, but I got a physical copy. Thank you so much, sir. I'm very happy for this. And yeah, now people understand my choices, right? Like, I love books, and most of the things that I got are books, so I'm like very, very, very happy. And this pen, it's from Cello Signature Indulge ball pen. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, another pen I got. This, ये मैंने खोल लिया है, but फिर भी मैंने रैप करके ही रखा है. This I got from my friend Deepayan, and this is Pierre Cardin Paris Chris Satan Gold Boil pen. I was gonna say ball pen, and the pen is so pretty. It's golden in color and it's so pretty. Thank you so much. Now finally coming to the books again. So sir gave me this book from Tales from Shakespeare. The other books that I got are Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. This one I got from my elder brother Babuda and Akashda. They both gave me this book called Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. It is a non-fiction book, and I'm so excited to read it, and it's hardcover. So yeah, the next book that I got is these two books from my elder sister Snehadi. This one is The Girl of My Dreams from Durjay Datta, and this one is Born Arranged Murder but by Chetan Bhagat. And I did not actually know about this book, but this book I wanted to read for so long because इसका first part वो book के बाद ये book आया है, तो वो वाला मैंने पढ़ लिया है. I really wanted to read this one, और मैंने सुना कि this one is really good book by Chetan Bhagat. तो हाँ, One Arranged Murder and The Girl of My Dreams by Durjay Datta. Durjay Datta is always one of my favorite authors, so I'm very excited to read. Thank you so much, Snehadi, for this. Okay, next I got two science and necessity book, actually all in one, which is there. I didn't bring it. तो वो मेरे dad के friend है, Ananya aunty. She gave me that because I really wanted it. I needed it. तो मैंने उनको बोला क्लास 10 के लिए मैंने साइंस और एसएसटी ऑल इन वन बोला था उनको ऑर्डर करने के लिए because I needed it. So yeah, she gave me that as well as this book called Everything by Nicola Yoon. I have the book called The Sun Is Also Starred. ये उसका first part है, I think so. Not first part, but there's some connection or something. तो इसीलिए मैंने ये बोला था उनको with that I want to read it. So she ordered this one. So yeah, I'm very excited to read it. Thank you so much to Ananya auntie for the books. Okay, that was all for my birthday. I am literally so happy, not because of the gifts, because ये मतलब जब ऐसा होता है ना कि आप कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करते हो और उससे भी ज़्यादा कुछ हो जाता है, तो आपको ये फीलिंग आता है. मतलब आई एक्सपेक्टेड यही बर्थडे, मैंने यही प्लान करके रखा था कि मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट करूँगी. जब मैं केक काटूँगी तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे साथ होंगे. मैंने यही एक्सपेक्ट किया था, मैंने यही प्लान किया था और बिल्कुल यही हुआ. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम फीलिंग सो हैप्पी. So yeah guys, that will be it for today's video. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Thank you to everyone for making my birthday so special. And I am so glad. अगले साल भी ऐसे ही करना चाहिए मुझे, like करूँगी of course. So yeah, but now the birthday is over guys. हो गया खत्म, and back to work, back to studies, back to normal daily life. बट ऐसे छोटे मोटे सेलिब्रेशंस होते रहेंगे और होना भी चाहिए, अच्छा लगता है. एंड या दैट्स इट गाइस. I will meet you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't and like this video and share if you want. I love you guys. And I love you my friends. I love everyone. Bye. Take care, stay safe. Ta-da!